Hello friends, welcome to switch2best.com. Now today's video we're going to see three best laptops under 40,000. If you want a laptop which suits your need and also give you good performance, you should watch this video till the end because I'm going to describe all these three laptops with its advantages and disadvantages and why you should choose these laptops. All these things we are going to discuss. So without wasting time, let's begin our journey and let's get started. Let's check out the list of best laptops under 40,000 in India which you can buy. You can pick a laptop under 40,000 from top brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, etc. available under different online portal with best prices. In this range of laptop you will get minimum specifications like Intel i3 processor, 8GB RAM or 4GB RAM and 1TB hard disk. In one laptop you will get SSD also, which will boost your performance. So this kind of laptops will be best for developers, office goers, students, even YouTubers. If you do occasional gaming and online streaming or web-based streaming like YouTube, watch videos, films, these laptops are going to be best value for money under this price tag of 40,000. In our today's video, we are going to discuss three laptops with Intel i processor 10th generation and AMD Radeon 3 processor based laptops. Our first laptop is HP 15S EQ1042AU with 115.6-inch screen and Ryzen 3 3250U processor, 4GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 Home version and AMD Radeon graphics. You can choose in place of SSD also you can choose normal HDD. It's up to you. And the price tag is 38,690. This HP machine gives a great performance laptop with higher memory and dedicated graphics. It's having a large display, 15.6 inch. It's also come with a graphics driver card which gives you good quality graphics and function in effective manner. It has a 3-cell Li-ion battery, weight is up to 1.69 kg. You can also play small games with this laptop because it contains a graphics card and its performance is really good. This is the best laptop I found under 40,000. Its product features mainly we have AMD Radeon 3 dual core 2.6 GHz clock speed, 4GB DDR4 RAM, 512 SSD, 512GB SSD, AMD Radeon 15.6 inch and resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels and you will get a Windows license version, Windows 10 home version and 1-year warranty. Let's see its advantages. Integrated precision touch with multi-touch support gives up navigation and productivity. Integrated touchpad with multi-touch support speeds up navigation and productivity for your laptop. It comes with the AMD Ryzen 3 processor which is having 2.6 GHz base clock and it can boost up to 3.5 GHz max boost and it will give good AMD L3 cache 2 cores. And you will get a Windows 10 Home 64-bit version and you will get a SSD with this laptop also which boosts the performance of this laptop. The main pitfalls or disadvantages for this laptop are the battery life would have been better with this specification and you are getting only 4GB with this price tag of this laptop. Comes with an AMD processor, also a disadvantage compared with you are getting Intel i3 10th generation with other laptops. Laptop number 2 in our list is HP. Again we have selected HP because HP, I personally like the HP because of the performance you are giving and most selling laptop in the market right now. You will get HP 10th generation Core i3 15.6 inch display and i3 processor with it. Here also you will get 4GB RAM and 512GB SSD and Windows 10 home version. It comes under 39,990 rupees. This is the laptop, how it look like. If you are a programmer and looking for a laptop which can match the speed of i7 processor and 16GB RAM with SSD, this laptop is not going to disappoint you with the performance with its 1.2 GHz processor and Intel i3 10th generation processor. Almost all the high specification laptops will overshooting your budget because of the price, but with this laptop you can get a good quality performance with this price tag. This is a very good laptop with this price tag under 40,000. The main key features of this laptop. You will get 1.2 GHz Intel i3 10th generation processor, 4GB DDR4 RAM with 512GB SSD, Windows 10 home version, Windows Office version for student and home edition, and you will get 15.6 inch screen, ultra high definition graphics. You will get 1.77 kg. Weightage of this laptop is very light also. Let's check out the advantages of this laptop. Excellent budget laptop with good quality and performance of battery. You will get minimum 5 to 6 hour minimum backup with this laptop. Sound quality is also good. Performance compared with its competitors is also good. Less boot time and less shutdown time also. You will get better quality. You will also get a RAM. You will also get extendable RAM option, so you can extend your RAM in future also. Noise is very less compared with the other laptops I've compared. Let's check the disadvantages of this laptop. Backlit keyboard is not available with this laptop. You want to play games in this laptop, say small games also or mid-range games also, this is not a good gaming laptop. Graphics quality would have been better. Other than all these HP laptops actually gives you good performance with the price tag of 40,000. If you are not a core gamer, or if you want to do if you are not going to use high graphics softwares like MATLAB and others, AutoCAD, all these complex softwares, if you need a basic laptop with good performance with all features loaded, you can go for this laptop. This is very good in this price tag. Our laptop number 3 is Dell Latitude 3410 14-inch laptop. It comes with the Core i3 10th generation and 8GB RAM and 1TB HDD. It comes with Ubuntu, means open source, and 1 year ADB warranty. Its price tag is 37,530 rupees. This is the laptop, how it looks. Dell Latitude 3410 is a thin and light laptop with wider view display, and this Dell laptop can give you good performance with this price tag under 40,000. And this laptop is also good for the price point of view. What performance you are getting a good we are getting a great good performance. The Dell Latitude 3410 is not only a great laptop on its price point of view, but it's also having a great look and powerful performance also. Let's check the product features of this laptop. You are getting i3 processor with 10th generation i3 10th generation processor, 8GB RAM, 1TB hard disk and 14-inch screen. We are getting open source operating system like Ubuntu. We are getting normal Bluetooth Wi-Fi connectivity and warranty. Feature wise it's basic, but performance wise it gives you a good performance. It's a good laptop for basic users. Let's check the advantages of this laptop. Good quality display compared with competitors. You are getting a high definition high resolution of 1366 by 2.68 pixels. You will get a 8 GB RAM and balanced performance. It's smaller, thinner and smarter because it's give you good performance with its good looks and lightweight option. Disadvantages of this laptop: its battery life could have been better, and the main core disadvantage is you are getting a 14-inch screen only with this laptop, and lack of SSD, which lacks the performance of this laptop. If you get a SSD with this laptop, the performance would have been more better. Selecting the best laptop under 40,000 can be a quite tough task due to various models available in the market. You will find tons of specification and features for a laptop when you are going to buy for yourself, which can be a very difficult task for you to decide which laptop you are going to take. For this purpose, we have made your work a little bit easy for selecting laptops with our comparison of best performing laptop under 40,000 with this market research, which can give you a best performance with the best price tag. I hope this video is helpful for selecting your first laptop under 40,000. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe. You can subscribe our channel by simply pressing on subscribe button, and pressing on the bell button you will get the latest notification from our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.